So what is test plan and test strategy? So as I already mentioned, test plan is it's a document so which describes the objectives, scope, approach, and major focus on testing effort. That's a test plan. But test strategy is set of guidelines will be there. So which explains test design document and testing, how it will be performed. All the general rules will be there in the test strategy. Second point, so what are the different components of test plan? So different components of test plan is, so test plan ID, features to be tested, features not to be tested, testing techniques, what are the different type of testings you are performing, what test methodologies you will follow, like waterfall, agile methodology you will follow, that also you will mention. And features pass or fail criteria, and so risk, contingency, and mitigation plans, schedules will be available in the test plan document. Any training required, that also mentioned. Schedules is important. Test strategy document, which also contains same objective, scope, but here a documentation formats will be there. Test processes format, team reporting structure, client communication strategy will be mentioned in the test strategy document. So test plan is carried out by a test manager, QA manager will prepare, or a senior test lead will prepare, which describes how to test, when to test, who will test, what to test. See, all these questions, answers you will get in the test plan document. Who will test means a tester name. Okay. So what to test? So what you are testing, how to test. Okay, how to test means which testing techniques, and manual testing, automation testing, how you are testing, what is your test cases. All this will be mentioned here very clearly. And test strategy is carried out by project manager. Test plan is carried out and managed by test manager. Test plan narrates about specifications. Test strategy narrates about general approaches. General approaches. Test plan can change, project to project. Test strategy cannot be changed. test strategy cannot be changed. It's basically a format document. So test planning is done to determine possible issues and dependencies, to identify the risks. It's a test strategy is a long-term approach. So long-term plan, basically, based on this test strategy, it's an entire company will follow. Test plan is only for individual projects. So that's the difference between test plan and test strategy. So test plan is defined at a project level. Individual project level, it will be defined. Test strategy is defined organization level. That can be used by multiple projects. So that's this test strategy and test plan differences. So any questions here?
No, sir.
So that's it, and next week Monday we'll meet. But I want you guys read this till now, at least agile process, test plan, test levels. Please read and come back, and test process. Please read and come back so that it will be easy for you to answer questions also. Otherwise, it's difficult.